Hello everyone, I am Sonam from Pabbly team, and in this video I am going to teach you how to automatically send WhatsApp messages to the form submitter using WhatsApp Cloud API. So in this video I have created my form in Formstack application, and whenever the person submits the form, he or she will be getting the WhatsApp messages instantly and automatically. Here in this video, I have created my form in Formstack application, but that doesn't mean that this video is only for the Formstack users. If you are using Google Forms, Jot Form, Pabbly Form Builder, then also you can actually send the WhatsApp messages to the same person who are submitting the form by simply integrating your form application with WhatsApp. So just watch my video till end, and you will be also able to learn how to immediately send the WhatsApp messages when the person submits the form. So this is the job application form which I have created in my Formstack application, and I will show you that as soon as I will be submitting this form, I will get an automatic WhatsApp message, something like this, along with my name and whatever the details I am going to fill out in this form. I just have to build the connection in between WhatsApp and Formstack application with the help of an automation software, and you will see that how this automation is going to work. So let's proceed. Type pabbly.com/connect in your browser and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of our automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. From this blue button, create your free account. The account creation is absolutely free, and you will also get 100 free tasks to test these kind of workflow, these kind of automations. Okay, click on access now, and I would recommend you to test this automation along with me. So create your free account, okay, log into the dashboard and follow my tutorial. Okay, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, create workflow, and give any random name. I am giving the name as Formstack to WhatsApp automation. Okay, alright, let me correct this spelling. S should be small. Click on this create button, and you will see two boxes in front of you: trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example. When a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. When a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms, share a file via Google Drive application. According to our use case, when the Formstack form is submitted, send a WhatsApp message to that submitter. Okay, so that is why I am going to choose here as Formstack. Okay, so that is why I am going to choose here Formstack as my first application, and the idea here is I am going to connect Formstack with Pabbly Connect, and firstly I will capture the data, basically the form submission data of Formstack in Pabbly Connect. Simply click on connect after choosing the trigger event. Click on add new connection, and when you click on connect, you will be immediately connected with Formstack if you are logged in into your Formstack account. If not, it will be asking you the credential. Just give the credentials and you will be connected. I am selecting the existing connection since I have just connected few minutes before. Okay, now you can see it is showing me the form which are available in my Formstack account. Let me show you how many forms are there. Well, I have just single form with the name of job application form. That is why in my Pabbly Connect account, the single account is only visible, and I'm going to select the same. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will say, let me read it. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission in record in that application. That is why I am going back to my Formstack account. Now I am going to open my job application form. Let me open my form. Okay, let's click on this share button. All right, and you will see this is the link. Let's open this form. Okay, this is basically the job application form, and assume that someone is applying for the job, and we want to send the messages to that submitter, to the person who is applying for the job. Let me fill this form. Testing name. Okay, I am doing it just for the testing purpose. That is why I am using the random names. All right, admin@pabbly tuts.com. Okay, tuts.com. Now the mobile number. Okay. Do not forget to add the country code while filling out this form, and you will also have to ask the same thing to your people who are actually applying for the job. Okay, ask them to provide a WhatsApp number and to provide the number along with the country code. Okay, so let's fill out this name. Experienced or fresher? Well, let's choose the fresher. Applying for the digital marketing position. Click on apply now, and let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured the data. And you can see whatever the data I have filled. Basically the testing name is here, email address is here, all right, and rest of the details. Basically the fresher, digital marketing was the position. Every detail has been captured by Pabbly Connect. That means our first step of our integration is actually done, which is connecting Formstack with Pabbly Connect. Now what we want to send the WhatsApp message to the person who has just filled out the form. For that, I am going to make use of WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, for sending the WhatsApp messages, I am going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. It is basically the official API of WhatsApp, which Facebook has recently launched. Okay, click on send template message on action event, click on connect. It will ask you three details: token, phone number ID, and business account ID. So basically go to your WhatsApp Cloud API account. How you can actually log into that software, reach to that software, type developers.facebook.com in your browser and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now click on this my apps. I am already logged into the software, that's why I am clicking on this my app and reached to the dashboard directly. Now very important thing, as soon as you will create your account, the very first thing you will have to do is to create an app and generate a permanent token in WhatsApp Cloud API. The separate video I have attached in my description box so that you can actually learn how to create the app and generate a permanent token. Once you will watch that video and do these two steps, basically once you will complete the setup of WhatsApp Cloud API, then come back here and then you can actually start sending the messages. Once you will create an app, you will be also able to see your app here. Click on that application and go to the left hand side. Okay, go to the left hand side, click on WhatsApp, click on getting started, and you will find all three details. Okay, let me copy the details one by one. Here is the token, copy it and paste it in the Pabbly Connect. Okay, here I am using the temporary access token which will expire in 23 hours because I am doing this connection. I am building up this connection just for the video purpose. But when you will send the actual messages to your customers, do not forget to use the permanent token. Okay, and the video for which I have already attached that how you can actually generate the permanent token. So I have filled all the details. Click on save and your WhatsApp Cloud API account will be connected immediately. Now what is the first field? Template name. Basically these are the templates which I have created in my account. Let me show you. Under the step 2 you will find this blue here option. Click here and you will find all the templates which I have created in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And these are the templates which were actually visible in Pabbly Connect. So WhatsApp always asks you to create the templates first and get them approved. You can see I have created this template and already got approved. Okay, create your template first, get them approved, then only you are actually able to initiate the conversation with your customer. All right, let me show you my template and how you can actually create your template. Simply click on this blue button, fill all the necessary details, and again I have attached a separate video that how you can actually create your message template. But here I would like to tell you one important thing. Give any random name to your template, choose language. Here click on continue and you will find a header option, body text and footer. In the body text you can actually create your message which you would like to send. Okay, in the header I would like to tell you that here you will find two options, the text as well as media. And in media, you can attach the image, video and document along with your message. This is the very special thing about this, that you can actually send the attachments like these along with your message, okay? And whatever you are going to write in this particular box will be visible. Okay, it is not getting typed. Okay, hello Pabbly team, and you will see that whatever I am writing over here, we can actually preview it from this particular section. Okay, and here whatever the values you want to change every time based on the submission, based on new submission, let's say I want this name to be changed every time, that is why you will have to keep that particular value in the form of variable. Okay, you can add as many variables as you want. Okay, basically whatever the values you want to change, just keep them in the form of variable. You can also attach the button as well, and the important thing is, when you will fill all the details, do not forget to provide these samples. Okay, whatever the variables you are going to use, it will ask you a sample content for that, so you can write anything over there, and then you can actually click on done and then finally click on submit. For now I am cancelling it because I have already created my template. Let me show you my template. The name of my template is actually job application received. Let me show you my template. This is the template, and I have kept 1, 2, and let me see. Okay, I have kept a total 4 variables in this template. Let's come back to Pabbly Connect and select the same message template here. Okay, let me search it, job applications received. Okay, keep the language code as it is, select template ID as it is, recipient, mobile number. Basically, I can actually fill the number of the person from where? From the submission data of Formstack, which I can actually find here in the drop down. Simply click here and choose the value, basically choose the number and map it, and read the instructions also carefully. Enter the recipient mobile number with the country code without plus sign. That is why I have asked you earlier that ask your people to provide the WhatsApp number with the country code and without plus sign. And the thing which I have just done here, basically selecting off number from the drop down, it is called as mapping, and whatever values I am going to map here in these fields are going to change every time. Generally people gets confused that whether they'll have to do this particular setting again and again. No, you do not have to do anything. Once you have mapped a particular value, it will be changed automatically. You just have to map it once. Okay, in the name section, I am going to map the first name, give a space, and the last name. All right, testing name. And what is my second field? Well, body field 1, 2, 3, 4. These are basically the variables only which I have just shown you. Okay, remember 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the variables only I am mapping here. Basically, I am filling out the details that what exactly the value should come in place of these variables. Again, come back to Pabbly Connect, and in place of second variable, basically what should come? Let me check. Thank you for applying for the position of. So basically I want the position which the people, the candidate has selected. In our case, the candidate has selected this digital marketing position. All right, what is body field 3? Let me check. All right, okay, please visit basically the website links. Well, I am not going to map this particular value, rather I would like to actually write it manually. Okay, let me correct this spelling, and this is the website on which I would like my people to visit. Okay, what is body field 4? Basically it is the company name. Okay, so my company name is Pabbly only. Again, this is not going to change every time, that is why I am writing it manually. Now I am going to click on save and test request, and we'll see whether the message, the WhatsApp message has been arrived to the person who has just filled out the form or not. So let's click on save and send test request. This is the WhatsApp account. Let's click on this button. Okay, fingers crossed. And you can see the response is received and the message has also arrived. Let me open this message. Hi testing name. So basically this is the name which I have mapped. Thank you for applying for the position of digital marketing. Remember, I have filled this particular position while applying for the job. We are currently reviewing our application. If your application seems like a good fit for the position, we will contact you soon. If you would like to look at other career opportunities or register your profile to receive other updates, please visit. Thank you for your interest in Pabbly. So this is the same message for which I have created a template in my WhatsApp Cloud API account, and I have selected the same in my WhatsApp, basically in Pabbly Connect. Okay, remember, this is the same template which I have selected. So our automation is working absolutely fine, and generally people ask me that do they really need to do this setup again and again. I'm repeating this again. No, you do not have to do anything once you have created this automation. So whenever they will be filling out this form, they will get these kind of messages automatically on their WhatsApp. This is the power of automation. This is the power of Pabbly Connect. You do not have to do anything manually. If you find the video helpful, please like it, and thank you for watching.